Hello, welcome to this introductory video for crafting and executing your ICT strategy, a 5-day workshop which I will be facilitating on behalf of Infoport Technology. My name is Dr. Peter Tobin and I've been involved in the IT industry for some 30 years now. I worked on 2 continents for one of the world's leading hardware and software providers in the UK and in South Africa for nearly 20 years, and thereafter I worked as a customer in the industry. I was busy on a day-to-day basis being an IT manager in a small startup fast-growing business, so I have some 30 years of experience in the importance of helping organizations to understand why an ICT strategy makes sense for your organization. During the workshop, we'll be having a look at some of the key principles involved in corporate strategy and why that gives us a guiding light, a helping hand in terms of thinking about our ICT strategy. We'll also be looking in more detail at ICT strategy formulation and the way in which we can go about developing and delivering on the promise of what the organization aims to achieve at the higher corporate level through the delivery of value from ICT and what it can contribute to the business. We'll have a look at both the short-term and the long-term issues involved in ICT strategy development and then execution. International surveys in the past have shown that however good a strategy is once it's put together, it only really matters once that strategy is executed. And so we'll be looking in a very practical way about how we can not only develop the ICT strategy for the organization, but how do we go about deploying that in practical terms. I've been involved in the professional body for corporate governance of IT, ISACA, a US-based professional body, for some years now. I've been certified in the governance of enterprise IT. And I'll be sharing some of the world's international best practices coming from ISACA and their use of their COVID-5 methodology in helping organizations how to effectively structure an ICT strategy and how to deploy that strategy to help the organization meet its corporate goals through the use of IT. Over the course of the 5 days, I'll be sharing some of the experience I have from the years that I spent as an academic, where I was responsible for studies at junior through middle up to senior and executive management of one of South Africa's leading business schools for a dozen years, and the work I've done as a consultant over the past 20 years, helping to facilitate workshops and presenting papers at conferences around the Southern Africa region over the last 20 years or so. While I've been talking, you will have seen running along the bottom of the screen information about how to book for the workshop and all the other administrative arrangements involved, the date, venue and so on. I really hope that you found this brief introduction useful, and I certainly look forward to meeting you in person at the workshop. Thank you.